Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter, as well as 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the overly large coil 10-watt Anker PowerWave pad. Here's some quick information about it right here. You can go ahead and pause it anytime and take a look, and more details will be in the description. So you get a large pad here. This is 10 watts. You have a light that when it's ready, here's an iPhone with wireless charging, and you just set on it like that and it starts charging. It's very simple. It's also overly sized, so you can put it almost anywhere on here and it will just start charging. It's very easy. And then we'll wait one more time. As you can see, the blue light right there is on, so you know it's working. Okay, now it turned off, and then we'll just set it on there and it's charging. Now the biggest deal with this is it comes with a cord, but you want to make sure you choose the right charger. So here's information about choosing the right charger. Basically what you want is a QuickCharge 3.0 charger that has enough power to give you the 10-watt wireless. So don't use your iPhone charger, don't use some other charger that only has 1 amp. You want to use the QuickCharge that has a lot of watts so that you can properly charge your phone at the 10 watt. You just set it on there and there you go, it's charging. And this is from Anker.